Another edition of Smalltalk for you. This morning I wanted to point out a little feature of Faro that, to be honest, I hadn't really taken that much notice of before, but it's quite convenient. As you know, in Faro you have this one window environment. You can make it as big or as small as you like, but everything's within this window. So when I open a browser or workspace, it's not free floating out on the desktop, it's within the world here. It's easier to find windows than I used to think it was, and that's because down here at the bottom, not only are these tabs for the windows you've got open, but if you put your mouse floating over them, you notice down here it'll tell you what's in there. So I've got a workspace here, and I typed a little bit of stuff in here, so let's type something more, 3 plus 4, and then I'll go ahead and iconify that. And if you put the cursor over this, you can see a little representation of it down here with the text you've got in it. So of course I go to the browser, I've got whatever I've got selected in the browser, then I've got the welcome window, which of course you can see, but you see it's a mini version of it. So the nice thing here is if you've got a lot of windows open and you're not sure which one is which, especially with browsers, you know, in Smalltalk you tend to open a lot of browsers, it's easy to get lost. The nice thing here is I could have a bunch of browsers open, you know, like this one. I could say, well, I'm working in this and I'm working over here. So now I iconify this guy. And I've kind of forgotten which one is which. Well, I can see up here the little representation of where I am in that browser, so I can tell which one is which, and that might give me a better notion as to where I want to go next. So that's about it for today. Until next time, have fun with whatever Smalltalk you're using.